I recently bought the new 2023 Weasleys Wizarding Wheezes set to add to my LEGO world. However, there is one small problem. I actually already have the bigger one that came in the 2020 Diagon Alley set. So you might wonder, why would I even get this set in the first place? Well, while the older shop is obviously a lot bigger and almost fully closed up, the newer one is packed with new cool printed and stickered parts representing the wacky joke products that are sold in the store. So I was thinking of using these new elements to upgrade the old set and more specifically spice up my Diagon Alley scene in anticipation of the new Gringotts set. So instead of on the inside where they would never be seen, I've added a couple of things on the outside of the shop, like this funny Umbridge on a unicycle as well as this puking pastels girl. Then I started adding the rest of the products and minifigures to the street, and I already think it looks so much better. Let me know what you think of this upgrade and stay tuned to see where and how I will be placing the owl post in Diagon Alley, which is the second but much smaller building that came in this set as well.